Every year, carbon monoxide kills more than 200 Americans and sends nearly 5,000 more to the emergency rooms for treatment. This is according to the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission. Why risk letting it happen to you when preventing it is really simple? How does this even get in your home in the first place? Carbon-based fuels include things like gas, oil, kerosene, or wood. When carbon-based fuels burn, they produce gases. When fuel combustion or burning isn't complete, carbon monoxide enters the air. Consumer Product Safety Commission advises that carbon monoxide detectors are the best way to alert yourself of the presence of toxic gases in your home. Here's another tip. If you wake up at night with a headache, or another family member complains of a headache, or it's difficult to wake up, get out of the house quickly and seek medical help. If you don't want to risk it or suffer unnecessarily, our experts recommend that you have carbon monoxide detectors installed in every home, in every bedroom, and on each level of your home. It's easy. Regardless whether or not you live in Washington, Missouri, or need service in or around the outskirts of St. Louis, including towns like Union, Wildwood, Eureka, Sullivan, Pacific, Owensville, or others in between, we hope these insights and expert advice will serve you well.